Hello, fashion lovers! Welcome back to Leather Focus. In today's video, we're talking about how to style knee-high boots in a way that looks elegant, modern, and comfortable. Knee-high boots are one of the most powerful fashion pieces a woman can own. They are stylish, versatile, and instantly upgrade any outfit. Let's begin with a classic look. Black leather knee-high boots paired with skinny jeans create a sleek and polished silhouette. This combination makes your legs appear longer and gives a clean, confident vibe. Add a fitted sweater or a long, structured coat, and you have a timeless outfit perfect for casual outings, shopping days, or even dinner plans. If you prefer a softer, more feminine style, try wearing knee-high boots with a midi dress or sweater dress. The contrast between soft fabric and structured leather creates balance. This look feels elegant yet comfortable, especially during cooler seasons. Now let's talk about comfort. Many women love high heels, but worry about walking comfortably. The key is choosing the right heel type. Block heels provide more stability compared to thin stilettos. Look for boots with cushioned insoles and flexible soles. When designed properly, heels can feel supportive and easy to walk in. Comfortable boots for women are not about avoiding heels. They're about smart design and proper fit. Make sure your boots are not too tight around the calves and allow natural movement while walking. Another stylish option is pairing knee-high boots with a leather jacket. A leather jacket and boots outfit creates a bold and confident street-style look. Add simple accessories and a neutral handbag to complete the outfit. If you want a more dramatic fashion statement, thigh-high boots offer a runway-inspired look. However, knee-high boots remain more versatile and wearable for everyday styling. Let's discuss color coordination. Black boots are the most versatile and match almost everything. Brown leather boots create a softer, warmer aesthetic. For a minimal and modern look, try monochrome styling. For example, all black or beige tones from head to toe. High-heel ankle boots are great for lighter styling, but knee-high boots give stronger presence and elegance. They add structure to simple outfits and make even basic clothing look intentional and styled. Fashion is not only about trends, it's about confidence. When you feel comfortable in your boots, your posture improves and your overall appearance becomes more powerful. Knee-high boots never go out of style. Designers continue to reinvent them every season, but the classic elegance remains timeless. So experiment with textures, try layering coats and dresses, and most importantly, choose boots that make you feel confident and comfortable. Because true style is when fashion meets comfort. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I'll see you